Bennett Ranch Bowls. This is Kaden Sabat,
Zuri Jefferson,
and Lexi Segura with the morning announcements.
Today is Thursday, January 5th, 2023.
Thought of the day. Snowflakes are one of nature's most fragile things, but look at what they can do. They can stick when they stick together. Birds have always held special places in our hearts, which is why we celebrate them on National Bird Day every January 5th. While birds are amazing, they are also a massive animal group under particular threats.
Lunch today is meatballs and mashed potatoes, dinner roll or sun butter and grape jelly sandwich, garden bar fruit, milk.
Weather today is a high of 38 degrees and partly cloudy. We made it through the first day of school in 2023. Remember your classroom SOPs as well as building SOPs. Hallway SOPs are eyes forward, walking feet, stay on the right side of the hallway, including stairs, hands to self, voices off, straight to your destination, smile and wave.
On Friday, there will be an afternoon PBIS assembly.
Everyone have a great day, and remember, Bulls lead the way!